whatever the education system we are having it, this fee structure or removing unnecessary things or practical thinking. Interesting point is we all are the victims of it. But one thing I observed, sir, I have been in the education field. I have been training the students from 8 years. Okay, 1 year I worked in school and 7 years I worked in institutes and colleges. Actually, interesting point is school people at least listen. You know that in school life, na, they will listen to teacher exactly how they say. Mostly in colleges, how much practical you say, how much interesting you say, whatever you say, mostly students don't listen. Okay. And come to the kind of institutes. Take it this institute one. Like today you do nice, happy. Tomorrow you do nice, happy. Imagine 30 days, I give every day 30 tasks. Do you think every one of the student will do that 30 tasks? There comes to the big mistake, like because students will take it granted. Fun is way happy. In school age now, no one knows bunking. Now actually schools also knows that actually. In my school life, I don't know what is mass bunk and all. Once we know to the college, we will love it. Going to mass bunks, going to parties and all. So be responsible. Try to get it some morals and try to make it discipline into your career. This 30 days, whatever we are doing in React.js, every day try to do the tasks which whatever I give, so that after that you will have some kind of audacity to say that you are good with the React. Okay, good. That was really good. We'll start our today's class. I think yesterday we discussed on context API. Na? Has any one of you tried anything with context API? I think I gave you one task also. Changing the color from parent to child. Does any one of you tried it, ma? Give me the link. Oh, but it works. That's nice. Any other have the link? Give me. Sorry? Yeah, you are like GSV guy. You have it like from starting. He has GSV component, GSV props, GSV use state, GSV use effect. Good. GSV use context. You can make one website where it will have all GSVs. .netlify.app. Now, where did you get this particular GSV logo, Ray? From RCP? Huh? Okay, that was good. Now, good. Everyone see it here. Let me repeat it the concept one more time. Here, one component is inside an another component, inside an another component, inside an another component. Total 4 components are there. You can see that. Now, innermost, there is one component, the black colored one, innermost component. Now, this outermost one is having a button. If I click this button, if I click this button, it will have something theme change. Whatever the theme is changing, it should go to here. How it will go? It cannot go directly. It will go from here to here, one component to another. Like passing the data from one component to another to reach to the innermost. What is it called? Prop drilling. What is it called? Prop drilling. But is it good prop drilling? No, because it will waste most of the propagation. Instead of this, I really want it like from here to here it will go. That solution is called context API. What is it called? Context API. So what they will do, sir, they will create it one kind of box like a global value. And in the global value, they will provide some context. Whatever you put inside this one called context, This context, they will provide it. Who is providing it? This outer component is providing. So they are called provider. What is it called? Provider. Now, any component can directly take from this box. The component which takes the value is called consumer. What is it called? Consumer. How it will take, sir? For taking, they will use something called use context. What they will use? Use context. For creating this one, how do you create it? You will use something called create context. What you will use? Create context. So provider creates some context and provide some value, and consumer use the use context and take that value. This concept is called context API. What is it called? Context API. Very good. Now click me here. I loved it. When I change it, it is changing it, like he put it instead of light mode white color, he put it orange color. Anything is fine to me. But when I change it, it is changing it for all now, right? He is not passing one to one. He is passing to, like, he is making it in a global value. Every component is taking that global value. Same thing will happen here. Like go for React website. Now you click here. Everywhere it's changing now. All components is changing. Sir, how all components change at a time, sir? Because all components are receiving the value from the global context. All components are receiving the value from the global context. And this is the main concept in the context API. In interviews, they will ask you this. Interviews, they will ask you what is context API, what is the problem it will solve, what is prop drilling, how do you create context API, how do you use context API. Now, this is really good. Let me check it more. Online, someone else did. I loved it. Who did this? Akshay. How did you do that? Like, this thought is good. He put one component inside another box. Square only. Both are squares only. Second square he rotated. Again third square. Fourth square he rotated. Again fifth square. Sixth square he rotated. Like it makes it, looking wise it's good, no? It's kind of, paper art nicely. Select a color. Now outermost component is selecting one color. Let me select one color. I love the brilliancy of this, art, because getting idea is important. From day one, I'm telling it, why do we do this every day, this brainstorm and all? Because I want you to think more. See, I told something like this. I actually, what is the task? I will tell you. What is the task is, if you change here, only innermost will change. That was the task I gave. But one guy thought it like, GSV thought it like, let's make it like everything change, like a real dark mode. That was good idea. And this Akshay guy make it like design also another level. Are you getting my point, ma? See, I want you to think, okay? Good. Next, nice motivation. This one, I loved it. Next, another one. This is also different, having different colors. Select one color. Okay, this is this color. This is this color. Good idea, Arvind. When someone give you one task and you are thinking a creative liberty and making it a better, I love that people. Okay. Believe me, when AI era, you should think that creatively. That will you will get it the easy way of skill. Next, Geeta did. See, these people are doing it every day. Like Arvind one, Akshay one, or JSV ones. Geeta one. Let's see. Context colors. Seriously, what happened? Oh, this is not an image. If I click purple, okay. Green, blue, orange, reset. Hmm. Good idea, na? It's like all headers are changing. Good. Now see here. Here, but all are same concept. See, here the whatever the components are there. But here in this component you are changing it. Instead of passing it as a props, they must have used something called context API. That's good logic. Any other? Anyone else offline? How many of you tried offline? How many of you tried? You all tried. You all got it also? Got? Like anyone get it any problem? No. But you did not upload. Huh. Tell me, Suresh? Sudhir, sniper. Okay, that kind of interesting. Let me go here. One. This is the one. Dark mode. Mode change from dark to light and vice versa. Okay. Create context, read context. This is really good. If you make it thoda, increase the text. People can read. Okay, maybe because it should fit na, you put it small. Good logic. This is my application only actually. This is exactly my application. You put this one's different color, that's it. Yeah, but that was good. Someone no errors but did not get output. Why it will not come output? Any other? If anyone did not get it outputs or any time, try to push your code into the GitHub and give me that link so that I can check it for you. Okay. Now, anyone else have anything to show? Sir, is it good site? Netlify. I can show. Paka. Because name is not good. Okay. Let me check. Pulse. Okay. Pulse dot netlify dot app. Is this the one? Dark matter. You did the design really good, man. I love the background, that dark one. This, light, supple, dark, you wrote it, na? The design wise, it's really good, actually. It looks like authentic one. Nice. That lamp you put it here. It's an image, right? Way good. Perfect. It's good. Did you take any year inspiration? You copied the image one. But remaining it's good, no? The idea is itself good. This one really good. Style that glows in dark. Perfect. I've seen something similar once in the lights one, but this idea is beautiful. Very good. Any other? Any other ma? Good. Okay. Let me show what we have done. File, open folder, 7:30. No, no, 9 a.m. React New. Now, Good. Now, what was the concepts we have done? JavaScript revision, React introduction, components, nested components, props, parent to child, child to parent, state, use effect, conditional rendering, lists, context API, class components, lifecycle methods. Till now, you guys have any doubts, ma? Huh? Context API one more time. Huh. I will tell you one more time. Next concept before hooks. Next concept is routing actually. I forgot. Now, what elements? No, no need. Like you can put it anywhere. See, let me show you the context API ka main purpose. Where is context API? Context demo. See here, everyone. Take it here. This see here. My main one is providing. Here, main one is providing one value. Is it mandatory to provide in the main only? No, there is no mandatory. You can provide it anything. For example, take this logic. Everywhere, app will be there. Inside the app, you have component one. Inside the component one, component two. Inside component two, component three is there. Imagine this component one is providing some value. Component one is a provider. Inside the component one, some button is there. If you click on it, component three should receive. If component one is providing one value, can app can access it? See, if component one is providing, can app can access it? No, because component one contains component two. Always data flows from parent to child or grandchild or grandchild, something kind of one. You can't give your directly data to the parent one. So, sir, you can put the data anywhere. You can put the context anywhere. If I put the context in app, any component can take it. But imagine I put the context in the C1. Only C2 or C3 can take it. If I put context in the C2, only C3 can take it. Are you getting my point, ma? So wherever you want it, you can put it. There is no mandatory for where do you put it. Wherever you put it, this is called provider. Now let's go here, context API one more time, how it works. Go to the app. Now, if anyone wants here, you will understand the conditional rendering concept also. Take it here. Here I have a theme, set theme. Initially, what is the theme value? Right. And this theme is having one value. I want to give this theme value to any other component. How do you pass to any other component? First, whole component is inside one context. How did you get that context? I created that context. See, and that context is providing one value, and the value is theme. Value is theme. Now, this theme online, you can answer ask any question, ma, online if you have. Now, this theme value, any of the childs can take it. Now, the app is having one child called parent. Now, if I go to the parent, parent is having a child. Now, the child is having a child, grandchild. Now, grandchild is taking that theme value from the context. It is using use context, and in use context, which context you are using? Theme context. In that, what value you are taking theme and use it. Simple. Are you getting my point, ma? So technically, app is providing one value called theme, and it is received by the something grandchild using use context. Any doubts, ma? All right. Why do we use? No, because see, go here main.jsx. Here it is not needed. Here I am using something C value. If you are passing context value, same C, kind of, constant values, I am using this. But it's not mandatory. If I don't do this also, nothing will happen. Okay. This is a constant value. Sir, why not we use it here only outside? Because if I use it here na, here I can't use state na, because there is no syntax only. That's why I used it in app. Online, some people are saying it like let's give it all the questions online. Someone is asking like why we are using provider syntax to component instead of state value. We are using provider syntax not for component, for state only. Dekho, theme context dot provider value equals to theme. What is theme? Theme is the state value only na. I am providing one state value only. I'm not giving a normal state is nothing but one value which will change. State is nothing but something X. वो change होता हर each time. So that value I'm giving in the provider. Provider is like a big box where it is providing all the values. Simple. Component is providing it. Good. Someone is asking it like same logic. Sir, what is the logic of this one? See, I created one context. Context is like a big box. See here one big box. In that one value is there. What is the value? C. What is C value? Simple. I will store it something like this. What is the name of this? My context. What is the name? My context. Very good na? Now go here. Now in grandchild, they are asking my context के अंदर C है ना वो क्या है? My context के अंदर C value क्या है? Zero ना? हाँ वही से print होता है इधर. Online any doubts my here? Yasmin, is it clear? Yasmin, is it clear? Good. Good. Someone asked a question. If we change set theme value in grandchild, will it affect app component? Never. Data cannot go from grandchild to parent. It will go from only parent to child. Now next. Now good. When is course going to complete? It will take it like much time. I think we started just in 2 weeks only, na? Is it third week? What was the day start? Third. Third is normal start. Like after the uh, demos, it will be 14, right? I think 14, right? Yeah, right. So we just started. Mostly by the 10th, it will be done, your course. Okay. Kind of second week. Now, someone asked a question. What is that create root in app.jsx? Where it is? See, if you don't know what is this create root is where you will take this app. Originally, what will happen in main.jsx? Main.jsx will take this app. Main.jsx will take the app and keep it in index.html. For this, it will use this create root document.get element by the root and all. Now, let's take it Nikita's question. Someone is asking a big question. Uh, Sir, GitHub in this front end code, I work on it, but in this pagination logic do not work. Why? Please told me because backend no issue. When we click on first page, show data. When we click on second page, then also show same data. I think offset value does not change. Why? Can you just give me the link at the end of the class? I will just check it once more. Give me like, give me one more. I will check it on. After the class, just give me one time. I will check it. Yeah. Now, now, Good. Next one. Let's go with the today's one. Does anyone have any question in the context API, ma? No. Just try it one more time. Just try it one more time. Mainly it is used for global values. Okay. Now today and tomorrow we'll do another interesting concept called uh you know kind of routing. If you understand this routing one, you can actually create React big apps. Let's start here. Today's turn. Routing. Routing.txt. Create context is a big box where we keep like global values. Correct, Yasmin? Correct. That global values are called context. Correct. Context dot provider will use to pass the values to the child. Correct. Routing. Routing is used. Routing is used to navigate between different pages. Routing is used to navigate between different pages. To navigate between different pages. Now, React, sir, React is just a library. I think you all know that, right? React is just a library. It cannot do everything. React cannot do routing, routing by default. So so we need a library for routing in React. In React. The standard library for routing in React is React Router DOM. React Router DOM. It's a library name. This library we will use it for routing in React. Like home page to about page to another page. I wanted to go to different pages. How do you go to different pages using this routing one? Good. Let's go here. Let's start with the basic routing. Now, step one, step one, go to terminal, specific project, cd, specific project, and npm install react router DOM. React router DOM. Now, first, let's create one simple app, sir. Let's create a React app. How do you do that? Terminal, new terminal, cd react, npm create. I will use something called routing demo. Oh, sorry. White @latest. Now I need to write it here, the name routing demo, react swc cd routing demo npm install. Then npm run dev. Open it. Any questions, ma, till now? No, we just started the application. After starting the application, now everyone, see here, I am opening another command prompt. Let's go inside that one. cd react, cd routing demo. I told you, go to the specific folder. I go to the specific folder now. Now, what is the command? npm install react router dom. Install, you can put I also. I and install are like optional. You can put I or install, anyone. Both are same. Online, is it clear, ma? Mm. Good. Go here. Second. Now, second one. React router DOM. React router DOM contains so many values, so many values, so many values or functions. To use them, to use them, application should be inside browser router. So step 2, what is step 2 is, step 2 is go to main.jsx, main.jsx, import browser router, and keep app inside browser router. Keep app inside browser router. Second step, we'll do it. Just note it down, then we will do the second step. Step by step, we'll do it. Now, next, sir, how to do this? Step two, everyone see this. Go to React app, go to routing demo. Now, sir, what will happen now? This library will give so many functions now. This library will give so many functions now. But all functions to give all components, what they will do, same like how we create context. This library people also they created one big box. In that box only they put everything. Are you getting my point? Same like how we do it the create context, they already created this browser, this React router DOM people already created one create context. And their name is browser router. What is the name? Browser router. In this browser router, all the methods are there by default. So now if you wanted to use any of this, first go here, keep this inside the create, import, go to main.jsx, import browser, okay, import from React router DOM. What? It, I install now? Why it is not coming then? Browser router. First import the browser router from create router DOM, and then instead of strict mode, I will keep whole app. Now I will keep whole app inside the browser router. Now everyone see. Now your whole app is inside browser router. So browser router already provides so many functions that things you can use it. But sir, what if my app is not inside browser router? If it is not inside your browser router, that means that big box is not there. So you can't use whatever inside that big box. Okay. So whole app, everything is inside app only now. Now I am providing the app as a browser router. Now inside that routing one, whatever the functions are there, those things I can use. Is it clear, ma? Online, is it clear? This is the second step. Import the browser router and keep it the whole thing with the browser router. Next. What fun is there in what functions are there in the browser router? We will see. I will tell you what functions are there in the browser router. I will tell you. Okay. Now let's go here. First, again one more time, what you will do, import browser router and then keep the app in the browser router like this. Just remember this. Next one. Third, step number three. Step number three. Browser router is like a container. Correct. Browser router is a global container. Correct. It is available throughout the app now. Correct. Next, step three. Step three. Go to app.jsx. Go to app.jsx. Go to app.jsx. Define. Go to app.jsx. Define routes, 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 and each route, each route as follows. Each as follows. Routes and each route as follows. Before that, before that, create components, components for different pages. For different pages. First, I will create different pages components, and then I will do this step three. Okay. Any doubts, ma? Any doubts here? No. Now, let's go here, sir. Let's go here. I'm going here after first SRC. I'm creating here something called components. I created here in the SRC something called pages. Sir, why did you create it here online? Please come again. Step one. Step one is just the npm install React Router DOM. Go to the terminal, just write it npm install React Router DOM. That's it. That is the step one. Now, sir, I created two empty folders. Everyone see what is the folder's name? Components and pages. If you don't create folders, also kuch nahi hota. But always maintain good folder structure. That will be good. So in the components folder, I will create two components. See, I am making big gap today, not the chota ones. Till now, you guys did chota ones. Now I will do bigger things. Create header, footer, header, RFCE, footer, RFCE. Header is done, footer is done. Then go to pages. Sir, what pages you want? I want home page. Tell me what pages you want. Okay, about page, contact page, contact page. Sir, when you install React Router DOM, by default browser router will come, correct? Contact page. Then um I will make it very simple. Not found page. Last but not least, I will put it services page. Total 5 pages I put. It's a kind of big gap. Now see here, all RFCE chota, and what you will write. I will write it here. H1 home page. Go here. RFCE H1 contact page. RFCE H1 about page. Not found. H1 not found page. Services RFCE H1 services page. Any doubts here? Any doubts here till now? 3 steps. Now I didn't do the third step actually. Pages is a folder. I didn't do third step. I just created the pages. Now, what is the third step, sir? If you read the third step one more time, go to app.jsx. First, put it app.jsx nicely. RFCE. Now, in the app.jsx, what you will put, sir? First, import routes. Okay. From actually, it will show suggestion. I don't know why it is not showing, but it will show routes and route. What I take ma routes and route. Now my app is not having any div. Here, what you will keep? Header. Everyone see header, footer. Now, sir, I want everywhere header will come na. All pages will have same header. All pages will have same footer. Any doubts here? Any doubts? No. All pages will have same header, sir. All pages will have same footer, sir. No doubt at all. In between header and footer, where do you want it each page to come? Between header and footer. Where do you want them to come? Between header and footer. In between header and footer, you should write the route. What you will write the route first. I will tell you what is route and routes. Route, path. You will give path. What is the path? If anyone clicks slash home, if anyone goes slash home, if path is slash home, then where they will go? Component. What is the component will come? What is the component will come, sir? Home component. Sir, you will have your website, na? Sir, my website is localhost 5173 or prasad.netlify.app. If anyone goes to prasad.netlify.app slash home, automatically home component will come between header and footer. What if, sir, you guys tell me, what if I go here, if anyone click here slash about, if anyone goes about, what component will come here? What component will come? It's like you are defining. If this is the path, this is the component. If this is the path, this is the component. Like that you are telling, right? I am telling the component about. But sir, how many routes will be there? So many routes will be there, na? All routes should be inside one array called routes. All routes should be inside another element. That element is routes. So routes is like a big element. Inside that route element, you will have routes. By default, sir, what is the default one? Default also I want home page only. Default also I want the home page. Default means without any path. Imagine no one clicks anything. कोई doubt है माँ? Now go here. Go to your app. Inspect console. Header is not defined. Why it's not defined? Because I did not import. Import header. Huh? Header, footer, import header, import footer. Now go here. Go to my app. Here, inside header, what did I write? I did not write anything, na? H2, header, footer, H2, footer. There is so much about routing. I'm just giving you basic. Tomorrow also routing only. Day after tomorrow also routing only. We will do slowly, no worries. Now onwards, topics will be thoda big. They won't complete in one day. Now onwards. Okay, those topics are lengthy. Now, let's go here. App.jsx. Sir, one more time. By default, what is the component will come? Everyone say by default, what is the component? Home. What if I go slash home? Home. What if I go slash about? Did I define anything for contact? No. So will contact page will come? No, no page will come. Contact will not come. Now you go here. Sir, by default, what page came? Home page. What if I go here, click /home, home page only. What if I go /about? Any doubt? Online, any doubts, ma? No. Can we define remaining things also? We have two more pages. What if I go route? If path is /services. In sometimes now, for example, if you use ChatGPT, sometimes they will code like this. Instead of component, they will use element. What they will use? Element. You can use component or element. Element means you should write it like this. Where is this services? Services. Someone is like, sir, pages and components are two different folders. Yes, two different folders. Why I wrote it like that? देखो home ये पूरा pages है. Header footer are like some kind of components. I just want to divide it like that. Sir, if I don't want that all, your wish. You put it everything in one page, one thing also your mix. That folders doesn't have any impact. Impact is what you will write it. See, everyone, can you find the difference between this and this? Both are same only. The difference is, sir, if you are writing a component, just write the name enough. Sir, I wanted the services component. Services नाम लिखो अच्छा है. Or, sir, I wanted to write it as a JSX element. Normally in JSX element, how you will write it? Like that, you should write it. Whatever you like it, which one you want it, you can prefer. Any one is enough. I just want to show you both the syntax. Sir, if I go to services, which element will come? Services element बोले तो services component only ना. Are you getting my point, sir? Same thing. See, देखो here header element बोले तो header component only. Same way, you can put it like a element or component, your wish. दोनों same है. Kind of both are same, referring it as some kind of JSX element or component, your wish. Okay, I just don't want you to confuse when you see it in other pages. Any doubts, my here? No. Or routes. What if someone goes contact component is a folder name or see here component is a keyword. Components is a folder name. Here components is a folder name. Here component is a keyword. Component. What is a component for contact? Contact. Sir, sometimes imagine if I click /Prasad, will it go to any page? /Prasad, will it go to any page? No, because you did not define. Normally in websites, if I go /Prasad, which page will come? Not found page. You know that? Have you ever seen not found pages? Like, let me go here, any page, for example, react.dev/Prasad. Any website you go, they will have, sorry, you go to any websites, they will have this not found. If I go something like Prasad, automatically they will go their own syntax of not found. Sir, how do you do with this not found one? So, like, what is the keyword you will give? That keyword is route, path, asterisk, Asterisk means like none of the above. Asterisk is like the none of the above. Now, sir, you should write not found only in the last. Like a switch case default will be there, na? Like that it will work. If you write it wherever the not found, if your keyword is not matching, I give slash Prasad. If Prasad is not there above the particular one, automatically not found will come. Okay. So it should be last component not found page. Online, is it clear, ma? So do we have to import services? Beko, I imported. Without importing, how they will come, re? All pages are imported, na? Online, if anyone have any doubts, you can mention it, ma, please. With the help of route keyword, we are able to navigate that path. Correct, correct. Route is a element. In this route element, you are using path and component as a props. Huh? Open? It will open in same page. Why? Because React works with single page application. Now go here. Go to here. Now, if I go about, if I go contacts, path is your wish. Path can be your wish, na? You can put anything, services. Can you see only services is changing? Or Prasad, not found. Any doubts, my here? Online, any doubts, my here? But page is reloading because I am directly giving it. Page is reloading because I am directly giving it. I am not using any buttons, na? Am I using any anchor tags? No. That's why page is reloading. Now, sir, how do you do that? Go to header. Go to header. See, I'm not using any CSS. I highly recommend you to use some kind of Tailwind or something, which we will do it like tomorrow. Don't worry. But I will just give it to you now. I will even put the basic CSS app.css. Now go here, go to header. Sir, inside header, I will put it some kind of anchor tags. You all know anchor tags now? So I will put it one anchor tag, sir. Now anchor tag home. You should not use anchor tag actually. I will tell you why. About everyone see, if I go to home, home is home. Or if I go to about, it should be slash about. Now you go here, everyone see, some kind of gap should be there. App.css, anchor tag, margin 0 pixel, left and right, 10 pixel. Now you go here. Now everyone see home. If I click here, home page. Why it is not going, Ray? Home, home page. If I click here, about page, home and about. But page is reloading, na? Do I want page reloading, sir? What is React should do? Single page application. Sir, React by default not doing single page. We use React to create single page. We should create it. For that, React router DOM will say don't use anchor tag because anchor tags will reload. Instead of using anchor tag, React router DOM will give you something called a link. What is it? Import link. Instead of anchor tag, use link. Link will work exactly like your anchor tag, but instead of href, you should use to, link to, link to. Same link, link to. Now you go here, home, about. Is page is loading everyone? Online everyone. Is page is loading ma? Sir, where is change is happening? Change is happening only in this middle because you keep this all things in the app.jsx. Sir, what if sir I put this all the things in the header? Header only will change happens then. I wanted everything, whatever changing should be in the app. So that's why I put it in middle. Now see, page is not loading. This is single page application. Let's put it as services page, contact page, services, services, contact, contact. How this link is routing everyone? Link routes with something called single page application. How it will work, sir? Normally, how this routings will happen? Home page, about page, services page. Okay, you go to home page. You go to about page. You go to service, service page. This is how normal anchor tag will do. But link how they will do? They will put one page. They will be like home, about, services. If anyone clicks home page, then you know what the link will do? Link will take this home and it will put it here. It's like linking them. If you go to home, it will link the home to here. If anyone goes to about na, then what it will do? About. If anyone goes contact na, it will put it in the same one contact. It's not like you are printing three different things. You are using it. Now anyone tell me clearly how many pages are loading here? How many pages are loading? One only. This one page only loading. In this one page only, different people are coming. Imagine three people are in three room. If I go to first room, first guy will come. Second room, second guy will come. Third room, third guy. That is a normal anchor tag. But it's React one, how it will tell, it will be like I will sit in one room. If I call first guy only will come to that room. If I call second guy only will come to that room. If I call third guy only will come to. Did I move? Do I have to move? No, that's why page is not reloading because page is not moving. In that page only different things are coming. That's the concept of single page application. Is clear, ma? Online, is it clear? Online, is it clear? In tomorrow, we will discuss in detail. There are so many nice advantages in the routing, dynamic routing, okay, kind of child routing, more and more. Okay. Now, sir, here you should do three things. First, give it here. Three things are important. First, give it here browser router in the main browser router. Second, go to app.jsx. Give all routes. App.jsx routes. Each route will have a path and component or element. Second thing is give each route path or component. Third one, go to the header, give each route as link. Instead of anchor tag, give link. How anchor tag works and link works, both are same. But anchor tag is like going to each time different one. Link is like in the same one, it will bring different things. Is it clear? If you click on about will come simple. वो path change होता. If you click about, वो about का path it will change here. Automatically it will come here. So today's task, link and route are same. No, link will tell it like if you click about, here about is coming na, that is link. Route is like if about is coming, which page to come here? Array, when I call about guy will come. That is link. If about guy comes, what to do? That is the route. If about guy comes, then show the about page. That is route. Are you getting my point, ma? Online? Online, is it clear? Yeah. I will push the code, and today's task, very simple. Create a simple multi-page, like in a single page application, put it multiple pages. But instead of this much simple, I want you to use a Stoda CSS so that it will look good. I want you to put some dummy pages. Home page, one nice dummy. You can put nice animations or something kind of one, your wish. Okay. Concept is also your wish, what you can put it. Okay. And if you go to about, nice about something, or services, nice about something service, contact. And tomorrow I will make it more better. And day after tomorrow, we will build a portfolio site also. Okay. Saturday, I will make it a portfolio site using this multi-routing. Okay. That's it for today, ma. Thank you all. Yeah. Online कोई question है तो पूछो ma. Nikita 1. Let me open it, Nikita.